Hello everyone. So yesterday we discussed uh, about fixed asset we created a fixed asset, review the fixed asset card, different option in fixed assets and depreciation book as well. We book acquisition from purchase invoice and FHGL journal. Then we also discussed about bulk creation of fixed asset either from fixed asset card or while creating the invoice. We also saw the fixed asset posting group and salvage value. We also book appreciation and write down, then we dispose of and sales the fixed asset. So today we will discuss some more topics regarding fixed assets. Meanwhile, if there is any question, you can ask me from previous session. So today we will discuss how to cancel entry for single FA or for multiple FA, and how we post the maintenance and insurance for fixed asset. We will try to cover some other topics as well. So let's start. This is our fixed assets page. So these are the fixed asset for which you already book the acquisition, and some from them we book the depreciation and we sell out one of them. Okay. So first we will see how to cancel any entry. So let's go to this fixed asset. And if we go book value, so the book value is 50,000. Let's see how it's come. So there is only acquisition. There is no depreciation basically. And there is option is cancel entries. Okay. So if you want to cancel the new posting date, otherwise most of the time we use the same posting date which was for acquisition. Now the ledger entry has been transferred to the journal as is already integrated with a GL journal. So this entry has been created, but this entry we created for bulk purchase basically. So just to the balancing account, and you can see that whenever you book the acquisition amount always been debit side, but now it's credit because we are canceling this entry and just post it. Okay. So now our book value is 0. Got it? So let's check if there is any acquisition. No depreciation for all these items. So we just book our depreciation for these. Okay, just check that. Okay, depreciation is from 5/4/26. We are just changing the dates so that some get some value for depreciation. For total date for company, we can select the fixed asset here. So, okay, no journal entries calculated. What happened? Okay, let's go with some other fixed assets. So yeah, so depreciation is there. So actually the scenario is we booked some depreciation and it was wrongly posted and we want to cancel all that depreciation, not for the single FA as we already checked for acquisition. It's for all FA within the period. So for this week, we'll go for depreciation book. So our depreciation book is company. Now function, cancel affiliate entries, and we can use starting date and ending date. We can also choose the inventory balance account will come automatically. We want to reverse depreciation. If we want to reverse acquisition, write off other entries, we can enable the boolean and we can select particular fixed asset as well. But currently we are trying for all. Click on OK. So now the entries are available here and this will cancel the depreciation which we calculate earlier and they will reverse the days as well. Okay, that it was calculated for 46 days. So it will reverse so we can calculate depreciation again. Okay. Entry will be same as we check in the for the single FA. We can just check the free posting. Okay, so just remove this one because we already dispose of this particular FA. So we can choose FA number as well when we cancel the entries. For normally. So we can check FAGL entries and it will cancel entries and these are the GL entries basically. Okay. So we are not posting from here, but there is no error. And when we post it, it will cancel the depreciation for these items and we can calculate it again. Okay. So we are just posting it if you want to check. Yeah. So now just check the fixed asset card. So we just cancel entries for CSR 250 and now you can check that the book value is 1000 and there is no depreciation is here. So it seems that system delete that particular entry for depreciation, but it's not like that. And if we go back and related and history, error ledger entries. So here is the entry which we cancel. Okay. So it calculate depreciation 387 and we reverse this entry basically. And it was for 696 days. Okay. So now depreciation is cancelled for all related FA and we can again calculate a depreciation for these fixed assets 250, 260, 270 and 280 which we have cancelled. Okay. So we can cancel the entry of a particular FA and we can cancel according to depreciation book and particular date or particular fixed asset. Next is for insurance policy and maintenance. So for maintenance, we can post the entry from purchase invoice as well as fixed asset GL journal. So for purchase invoice, we just go for purchase invoice and select our fixed asset and but the main thing is we choose FA posting type as maintenance and earlier it was acquisition cost. So we just select maintenance and so when we post it, the maintenance ledger entry will create as well. Okay. So just post it. purchase invoice posted and check the fixed asset. Now the book value is same because this was the maintenance invoice. So neither increase the value of fixed asset, neither decrease. Okay. And now we will go for insurance policy. So first we define insurance policy. So just click new for new insurance policy, and this is all for information purpose only. It not update automatically. So we just create a machinery insurance, which coverage value is 30,000 and the premium is 10,000. Okay, and this is the policy number. So we can post a particular policy for a particular fixed asset from fixed asset maintenance general. Oh, sorry, insurance. Fixed asset insurance general. And here we select the insurance number for which we want to post and just select our fixed asset. And amount. And this is not the premium amount. This is the amount with which our fixed asset is insured. Means we can claim this value for that particular fixed asset. And just post it. So now again we are in fixed asset card 250. And if we go to fixed insurance register, maintenance register. So anti posted by maintenance is not here. So this is for information purpose only. Here also is not update automatically. So we can put here invoice maintenance vendor number and service date, command, service agent name, and service agent phone. All these things we can put here. And if we go for insurance policy now, uh, oh sorry, insurance type. So we post for that ones. We can check here insurance per fixed asset. So yeah, 8,000 for fixed number 260 and insurance policy 40, and it's for fixed asset 250. So from here we can check our claim value for a particular fixed asset. So like this, we can post the insurance and maintenance for a fixed asset and record the value as well. So our next topic was and we can post the from invoice as well. When we uh, uh, purchase invoice, we can use insurance number there as well. One more important feature is components. Means when we want to check the component as well, means sometime we have a main fixed asset, but its component also have a fixed asset. Means we have a big machine which is assembled by through some small machines, and these small machines also individually a fixed asset. We have to maintain this individually, and we can insure it, we can reassemble it like that. So for this, we can understand like that. Means if these are the component, and our main assets is, you can say 30 is my main assets. So we can just go for report related main assets and component. So we can define the component of this particular fixed asset, and according to us, these fixed assets are the part of this main fixed asset. So we can choose 30 and then 300 and then 310 and then 300. Okay. So if we check that particular fixed asset like 300, so here we can check that it's a component of main asset, and which is the main asset is, so it is not showing here, but we have to personalize it again. Oh, this one. So component of main asset FA30. This is the main asset for which this asset is a component. Okay, so we check in FA posting setup earlier. Fixed asset setup. So we allowed the posting main assets or not. Currently, we disable this boolean. So there is no need to post anything in the main asset, because the main assets is a combination of all the component assets basically. So when we create a fixed asset GL journal for component of fixed asset, like it was 300 and 310. So we just book the acquisition of 1,000 and then 6,000 and post the acquisition.
first time. I'm sorry. Fixed asset GL journal. So type with acquisition. Value 10,000, 60,000. No need for the product posting group. Now just post it. We are going fast as we already check all these things. These are related to status part only. So we are not going for that. Okay. So our acquisition post is successfully. Here we can check that now the fixed asset 300 is acquired with 10,000. And if we go for main asset, this one 30. So here the book value is 0 because it comes from affiliate entry of this main fixed asset only. Okay, but if we go for main asset statistics, so you can check that the acquisition cost now 70,000 and the book value is 70,000 because we post two acquisition entry, one for 10,000, another one is 60,000. So we can check from here. And if you book the depreciation for components like this, calculate depreciation for 300 and 310. Now GLNT created here and we are just posting it for depreciation. Okay. Now we are going to our fixed asset, main asset basically this one. And if we check the main statistics, so now the book value is 41,000. Okay, and depreciation is 28,233. So whenever you post anything for component, it will show in the main assets basically. Okay, and now we are going to fixed asset reclassification.